made on July 22nd, 2020, at the public meeting returning $78,023.08 to EQT for additional costs to pave Patterson Road from EQT's Mingo Well site entrance to State Route 88. These funds were never refunded from the $275,000 received from EQT for the Pleasant View Road Slide Project. And Gary, do you, and let's see, I wanted to make a comment on that. I just wanted to clarify for the board's knowledge, and specifically, Dave, you were not here at that time.
So I'm just gonna.
So the board on July 22nd made a similar motion, but the paving never occurred. So there was no money ever returned. We were waiting for some things to happen, and, you know, the paving is being done at this time. I think half is done. Did you check the road today? Did they?
This morning I came in through it, about half of it was done, so.
Okay, so that hopefully by the end of this week. But anyway, so, at this time, the current motion is for 2.5 inches of 19 millimeter pavement overlay. And the consideration is for next year, an additional 1.5 inches, 9.5 millimeter. Yes, overlay will occur, that would be approximately $78,000. So we have to budget for that for next year. But for the purposes of today, this is to, ratify that the amount is going to be paid, but it came in lower than what we anticipated last year. So we would be considering rescinding the first motion that we made a year and a half ago. And then you'll see in number 20, that would be for the current price. Any questions?
I'd just like to add to it, it came in lower only because we're only proposing to put the binder down this year. Next year, we will have an additional cost for the topping on our portion from the well to 88.
And just so you know, this was part of a conditional use decision that was rendered when EQT approached us about the Mingo well pad. And there was discussion about road work and road improvement, and whether or not Pleasant View had to be redone and widened and whatever. They came back and the board accepted. They're saying, listen, we don't want to do anything. You can do it. We'll give you $275,000 for that or any other road improvement. I guess what has happened though, since EQT is now out there and they're doing this road project rather than us having to do it, we're just giving them back some of their money since they're doing the work. And initially, I think we believed it was going to be around $78,000. That's the reason for the motion at the July 22nd.
Yeah.
The number is 64,000, so that's the purpose of 19 and 20, changing those two numbers.
Should I?
Now they're fixing the roads, right? Once they start their well, are they gonna have to bond that road? Have some heavy trucks?
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
We're still on the road, even though they.
Yeah, so they're bonding the portion they're gonna be driving on, that,
Right.
and that's the portion they originally wanted to improve as well.
Okay.
That leaves approximately 0.28 miles left unimproved. So this is getting the whole road improved instead of leaving a piece of it unimproved.
Okay.
It's a good move for the township.
So I'd like to make a motion to